So this is the amount of money that I've got with this last week, and you just have to listen to some music, guys, and you will get loads of money, guys. So hit that subscribe button, follow the steps, and you will be profitable. Let's go. So first thing that you want to do is you want to search for Pixabay on Google. There's a lot of money in this method, guys. So just tap it, click on the first link, and you will be instantly redirected here where you can find some pictures, some videos, but you don't need that. You can just click here on music and you will be redirected to a website which is their own, and you can just download all of these songs for free. So right now I'm going to show you how you can use this music in order to generate money. You can get a lot of money with these songs, guys, and all that you have to do is to listen to some of them and then download them for free. Now you can download as many as you want. These songs are all for free, and then you can sell them for money on a website that I'm going to show you. This is going to be pretty easy, and just imagine, guys, that you can just go and listen to some music and make loads of money at the same time. Now that's a dream come true. You can see on the left hand side here, guys, electronic, upbeat beats, beautiful place, main title, hip hop, and you have these like moods. So you can just select that by mood, you can select that by movement, by theme, and if you go online and search for the 10 most popular music genres, you can see actually here that number one is pop music. So we can use pop music and we can generate a lot of money with it. Of course, this works all around the world. So it is pop music all around the world, guys. You can make a lot of money wherever you live. So right now, I'm going to show you how we can use pop music to generate money. Now, if we go back to Pixabay and on this music section, you can see on the left-hand side, you have a lot of these categories, but you can just search for pop music. Just click on pop music, and then you will be selected all of these. So you can see that there are a lot of these songs, and that means a lot of money. If you just scroll down below, there is endless opportunity for you. So we can make a lot of money with it if we just apply ourselves. You just have to invest time. You have to listen to some of these songs. It's going to be really easy, guys. It's going to be fun as well, so you can make money at the same time. So let's download some of that pop songs and let's see how we can get that money for ourselves so we can go and buy ourselves whatever we want. Now, for example, I don't know, let's choose this one, Your Best Day. You can just click on download button over here, guys, and you can see that it is instantly going to my computer. I don't have to do nothing. You can donate if you want to this Lemon Music Studio, but this is all for free, and it is copyright free because Pixabay works like that, okay? It's a good website where you can find pictures, videos, but of course, for today's strategy, we need this music. Music is gonna get us a lot of money, guys, and we don't have to work for it, okay? That's the best thing. You just have to make a few clicks, and now what you have to do is we have to go to second step. Now we go and see the website which is gonna pay us for it. Now this is up/forever.com. You can easily find this website if you type in search bar up forever, and you can see that the first link is here, upload/forever.com. Now there's a lot of money in this strategy, guys. You can just listen to music and upload on this website, and whenever download is happening, you get that money. It's pretty easy, so let's go. Make yourself an account here, and you can see here, guys, upload your files safely, withdraw profits from the various payment methods, or convert the profits into products. So basically, you get the money whenever someone downloads your song, and people love to download songs, guys. There's a lot of traffic into it. So if you click here on make money, you will be redirected here, so you can see that they have the best pricing for profits. So these like tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, and 4, our songs will fall into that category because from 0 to 10 megabytes, that's gonna be our songs. And you can see that for tier 1, you can get $7 for each download, and that's from these states which are United States and Canada. So we can use those pop songs which are in English, and then we will get $7 for each one of those downloads. $7 for each download, guys, and just imagine if 100 people download your song. Now that's $700 for you. Pretty good money, guys, and this tier 2 and tier 3 is not bad at all. I mean, all of these are really good. You can get money all year round on this website. Now down here you can see that payment methods include PayPal, Payeer. You can even get Bitcoin if you like that, but for that you will need a wallet, and of course you can get various payment methods, whatever you want to do. These guys give you the money really quickly. And of course, you get a lot of that money, so it's not pennies. You get a lot of that money just like these people on payment proof. You have this payment proof and you can see that people are withdrawing some nice sums, $21, $20 here as well, $26 here as well. People are withdrawing crazy money, and you can do that as well, guys, if you just follow this strategy. And just take a look at how much of these payment proofs are there. So people really get a lot of money. So make yourself an account here and let's start getting that money. If you are wondering how this works, how you get that money, well, Upload Forever is going to show some ads and then they will share the profit with you. So that's how these guys are doing it, and it's really cool that they have this. So once you make yourself an account, you can just click here on Upload Files, and then it's going to redirect you here. So now what you have to do is you have to click on Choose a File, and of course, we will find that song that we have downloaded from Pixabay. Now just click on Start Upload, and then when it's finished, it is ready to be downloaded, okay? And guys, what I suggest, if you want to make more money, I suggest that you take like 10, 20, or even 30 songs. Just guys, take one day and just download as many of these songs as you possibly can. And then just upload them all to Upload Forever, because you are then increasing your chances of getting that money, okay? So the more of these songs you have on your account on Upload, the more money you will get from here, because you will have a lot more to offer to this website. And that's the whole trick, okay? So gather as much as you can, listen to these songs. It's gonna be really fun as well. Just listen, for example, for 1/3 of the song to see if it's a good one. You can skip it, you can do whatever you like. Just make sure that it's a good song so people can go and download that song for $7 each, guys. That's a lot of money. This website is really cool and it can be really profitable if you just apply yourself. You have nice features. You can see that these guys have the highest rates of profit for your downloads. You can start it right now. Just make yourself an account, upload as many of these songs as you possibly can, and then the money is yours. Now guys, you were able to see that these payment methods are varying here. So if you want to get some Bitcoin, that's a smart decision for yourself, because crypto nowadays, it is really good option. You will of course need a wallet if you want to get some crypto, and you can use Coinbase.com. It's a good place to get your wallet, or you can use Binance.com. There's a good wallet in here as well, or you can use this blockchain. There is a powerful crypto wallet which is also really good, or you can use this Koinomi wallet. It's maybe the best one for your app on phone because they have nice app. It's a really trustable wallet with low fees, so this is a good one as well. We can see on CoinMarketCap that Bitcoin is faring really nicely, guys. $20,000 is one, and that's a good option for you. You just have to keep this in your wallet, and whenever Bitcoin rises in value, well, your wallet is going to rise in value too. So that's a nice option if you want to get yourself involved with. But of course, in the end, just use this music, guys. Download music, upload it here, and you'll be satisfied. I'll catch you guys later.